Good morning, teachers, principals, rectors, and especially the batch of 2016-2017. Today, we'll be moving up to a higher level, and we must keep moving forward. From now on, we'll remember our start that pushes us to achieve this goal. When it was my first day in high school, I was nervous because I'm not used to having female classmates. But after many months, I was accustomed, and by now, I'm feeling comfortable having conversation to them. The most difficult part that I encountered in high school is learning mathematics. And even though I hate that subject, I learned a lot of lessons. And it's unforgettable because when the day comes, I'm never able to learn mathematics in my future course. And I never forget the memories we made in intramurals, including my beloved teachers, and especially my classmates, because they are like my family, and Lourdes was being my second home throughout the year. Actually, in Lourdes, it's a high standard school, and students who started here is having a hard time to get used to the environment. But it's helpful for us, because we will be responsible from ourselves, and we won't forget all the teachings that we have learned. Thank you, teachers, classmates, and especially my parents for being here for me always as I go through high school. Once again, keep moving forward.